During sleep, you can manifest everything you desire. If you wish to acquire a potent technique for manifestation, one that swiftly and effectively brings your dreams into reality, then watch this video until its conclusion. Missing any part may impede your manifestation. This technique, known as quantum leaping, is designed to access your subconscious mind and reprogram it to attract your desires. It operates at turbo speed, so prepare yourself to swiftly receive what you seek. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will share with you a powerful technique that facilitates the effortless manifestation of your desires. The law of attraction, a formidable force, can enable you to create the life you yearn for once you comprehend its effective application. If you are prepared to swiftly and effectively manifest your desires, continue watching. Quantum leaping, a potent manifestation technique, activates a brain component called a reticular activating system, RAS. The RAS filters information and directs your attention towards your focal points. By conditioning your RAS to serve you, you can manifest your desires with ease and celerity. This technique's efficacy lies in its ability to align your focus with the RAS's response. Have you ever noticed how, after deciding to purchase a new automobile, you suddenly encounter that same car everywhere? This phenomenon showcases the RAS in action, eliminating distractions and guiding your attention toward your focus of interest. Quantum leaping's advantage lies in its access to your subconscious mind, where beliefs and thoughts reside. By altering these beliefs and thoughts, you can transform your reality. Moreover, this technique is user-friendly and conducive to sleep. Step 1 entails pondering your desired reality. Manifestation commences by contemplating the life you wish to manifest, specifying your desires clearly. Reflect on your aspirations and envision yourself already living in that reality. This step is vital for two reasons. Firstly, when you concentrate on your desires, you transmit a clear message to the universe about your intentions. According to the law of attraction, like attracts like, so focusing on your desires draws them closer. Secondly, envisioning your desired reality helps unveil any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that obstruct your manifestations. For instance, if you aim for a successful career, envision yourself thriving in your dream job, striking a harmonious work-life balance. This visualization may bring to light any limiting beliefs you hold regarding your career, such as feelings of inadequacy or a lack of necessary skills. Recognizing and addressing these limiting beliefs is a crucial step toward manifesting your desires. Step 2 involves selecting affirmations related to your desired reality. Once you have a vivid mental image of your aspirations, choose affirmations that resonate with your goals. Affirmations are positive statements that nurture focus on achieving desired outcomes. They serve as powerful tools for manifesting desires, helping to realign thoughts and beliefs with your objectives. When selecting affirmations, prioritize authenticity and resonance. The closer your affirmations align with your true desires, the more impactful they become. For instance, if your desired reality involves attracting a loving, supportive romantic partner, affirmations such as, "I am deserving of love and affection," "I attract loving and supportive individuals into my life," and "I am engaged in a fulfilling and loving relationship," can reinforce your self-worth, the quality of people you attract, and the relationship you desire. Regularly repeating these affirmations facilitates a shift in thoughts and beliefs, aligning them with your desired reality. Affirmations are effective for various reasons. Firstly, they counteract negative self-talk and limiting beliefs that hinder progress. By replacing negativity with positive statements, you foster an empowering mindset. Secondly, affirmations foster alignment between your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you believe in the possibility of your desired reality, you are more inclined to take decisive steps towards its achievement. Lastly, affirmations reprogram your subconscious mind. As a storehouse of automatic thoughts and behaviors, the subconscious mind can be reshaped through repeated positive statements, rendering it supportive of your goals. Step 3 involves repeating your chosen affirmations. After selecting your affirmations, make it a habit to repeat them to yourself. This practice impresses them upon your subconscious mind and activates the RAS to seek evidence of their validity in your surroundings. You may choose to vocalize your affirmations, write them down, or silently recite them. Remember to do so intentionally and with conviction, as if wholeheartedly believing in their truth. This repetition aids in the transformation of your mindset, transitioning from a negative or limiting state to one that is positive and empowering. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality, and by aligning them with your desired reality, you can manifest it into existence. Scientifically speaking, repeated affirmations forge new neural pathways in your brain, strengthening the connection between thoughts and corresponding behaviors, feelings, or outcomes. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, rewires your brain, enabling thoughts and actions that align with your desires. Step 4 entails drifting off to sleep. After reciting your affirmations, relax your body by closing your eyes and taking deep breaths. Allow any tension to dissipate as your mind clears itself of thoughts and distractions. As you drift into slumber, your subconscious mind becomes more receptive to suggestions. With your conscious mind at rest, your subconscious mind opens to novel ideas and beliefs. This step is crucial as it embeds your affirmations deeply within your subconscious mind. As you sleep, your subconscious processes the affirmations, initiating the reprogramming of your beliefs and thoughts to align with your desired reality. Research suggests that sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation and learning. During sleep, the brain processes and reinforces the memories and information acquired throughout the day. Therefore, reciting affirmations before sleep proves highly effective. Furthermore, as you slumber, your brain produces theta brainwaves associated with deep relaxation and heightened creativity. Theta brainwaves create an ideal state for programming your subconscious mind with new beliefs and thoughts. Step 5 involves repeating your affirmations upon awakening. In the morning, as you arise from sleep, reiterate your affirmations. This practice reinforces positive thoughts and emotions from the previous night and sets a favorable tone for the day ahead. You can vocalize the affirmations or silently recite them, according to your preference. Affirmations in the morning are effective because your mind is more receptive after rest. During this time, your brainwaves are in the alpha state, characterized by relaxation and creativity. This receptive state facilitates the absorption and acceptance of positive suggestions. Morning affirmations can also aid in maintaining focus and motivation throughout the day. By initiating your day with positive thoughts, you are more likely to approach challenges with a constructive mindset, attracting positive outcomes. It is crucial to note that repetition is paramount when utilizing affirmations. The more you repeat them, the more they will manifest as beliefs and yield results. Make it a habit to repeat your affirmations both in the morning and at night. If you found this content valuable, please remember to like and share it with friends. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to ensure you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.